victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight. I've come too far to quit. Step back, I'm going in. I'm cranking up on the throttle. This is how legends are made.
What's up, BroyoBoyz squad? So today we are hiking. We stopped at this really cool waterfall. So we're gonna jump in. Oh God! As you can see, it's very cold. Later, everyone. See ya.
This is how legends are made. Like iron from the fire, getting stronger.
BroyoBoyz TV. So today we are in Tennessee, that's right, and we're at Foster Falls right now in Tennessee. So today we're gonna hang out at Foster Falls and it's gonna be very fun. Oh gosh, that is a long way down, people. You should have seen the Long Creek Falls and Appalachian Trail. It was awesome. Sure, I got a bruise on my leg from trying to do something on there. It was so cold out there, so I tried to jump on this rock, and sure, I got a bruise, and it turns out it definitely wasn't worth it because I just slid off the rock like a seal. So let me tell you what we saw on the Appalachian Trail while we're hiking down. We saw a snake, owls, we heard coyotes. We did not see a bear. Someone claimed they heard a bear.
This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made.
Hey guys! Okay, the video is about to be over, but before we go, let's do Bible verse of the week. And Bible verse of the week is Psalms 119, verse 105. Your word is a lamp to guide my feet and a light for my path. Psalms 119, 105. Well, be sure to read the Bible, guys. See ya!